too close to the net because then you're gonna see.
Whoa. All right, today we're gonna bring a pickleball set. If you guys can see, it's a set of 2. We're here in our courts. They include the actual bag. They include a towel. This is a sports towel. It could soak up a lot of water, moisture, so it's perfect for those that are going to be playing. Included with it, so they give you 4 pickleballs and the racks itself and the bag. And all you need is a net and a couple of people to play with and have fun all day. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Wow! Look at that! Good. Oh, and it's fair. Hit it up, hit it up.